The M249 squad automatic weapon was tested against the structure. A burst of M249 rounds fired from straight on penetrated the plywood exterior wall. After passing through the bookcase and the mannequin's fragmentation vest, the rounds lodged in the rear wall of the first room. One round bounced off a helmet near the point of entry. An M249 burst fired straight at the cinder block wall, penetrated the wall, and kicked up a spray of secondary projectiles. The rounds passed through the mannequin and its fragmentation vest before lodging in the rear wall of the first room. Next, an M249 burst was fired directly at the brick wall. A few rounds penetrated the wall, breaking off secondary brick missiles that lodged in the rear wall of the front room, along with the rounds. Serious or possibly lethal wounds could occur if personnel were in the line of fire.
3, 2, 1.
When the angle was shifted to 45 degrees, a burst of M249 fire easily penetrated the plywood exterior wall. The rounds passed through a mannequin and its fragmentation vest, went through the rear wall of the first room, and then exited the structure through the side and rear walls of the second room. Rounds from an M249 burst failed to penetrate the cinder block wall from an angle of 45 degrees. Also from an angle of 45 degrees, a burst of M249 fire was unable to penetrate the brick exterior wall. However, with this and other smaller caliber weapons, it is expected that with continued hits, the rounds would eventually eat through the walls and make their way into the rooms beyond. From straight on, the M249 was effective against the plywood and cinder block walls, but less effective against the brick wall. From an angle of 45 degrees, M249 bursts passed through the plywood wall, but did not penetrate the cinder block or brick walls.